Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the HEPA filter on your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply remove the dustbin first. We're going to go over and open up our case. Now we need to grab this, we need to pinch it a little, and
dust compartment has been removed.
Now the dust compartment has been removed. This is what the robot is telling us. And here we have it. Now what we want to do is we want to pop out this filter. So you do it from this side where you have this board. You simply just push it tightly here, and as you guys can see, once you do it, it should just come off like this. Now what we want to do is we can tap the dust off. So we can tap the dust off from here if there's any dust. We can also simply tap the dust off from here, but I wouldn't recommend it. What I would recommend though is swapping in a new filter. So let me quickly get it and I'll get back to you guys in a second. So after a couple of minutes, I got the new filter, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it back. So we need to put this part, which is a little bit of outstanding here, we need to put it on the side where we have this and not this. So we can just put it like that, and after you hear a click, you're ready to go. You can open up the case again and just place it right here.
Dust compartment has been installed.
Now the dust compartment has been installed, and that's how you guys can easily swap the filter. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.